Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how Amazon coupons work. To do that, first we will go to Google and search for Amazon and log into our account. After logging in, select the products you want to purchase through coupons. Add them to your cart. After adding all the items in your cart, click on proceed to checkout. Here first give your address and click on use this address. Then you have to add a payment method through which you have to pay for your items. And if you scroll down, you will see an option of enter a gift card or voucher. First, let me tell you what is a coupon. A coupon is a code which you can use to get discounts on different items in Amazon. Enter your coupon code here and click on apply, and you will see a discount in the total amount of your order. And this is how an Amazon coupon works. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.